Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add two images in Photoshop for two way. Step 1, go to File, Open and hold Ctrl, select two images and open Photopea. And step 2, go to File, New Project, insert this image, create a new layer and see this image, press Ctrl C. Again, click this layer, press Ctrl V. Now see this paste image, press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V, hold Ctrl, press Ctrl T, transform Ctrl and hold Shift, resize. Hold Shift for this, resize. And do not hold Shift for fixed size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.